Hi, guys. This is Tatiana. All right, as you know already, we are having a huge Black Friday sale, a 50% discount on yearly membership plans. But pay attention because this offer ends on December 3rd. So I wanted to do a quick review of what you get with your membership. Corset Academy is a unique combination of online sewing school and the patented pattern alteration software. We teach haute couture sewing methods and how to create the high-end wedding and evening dresses. But I'm sure you're aware of that. Let's go to the library of courses. When you subscribe to Premium, you get the unlimited access to all the knowledge base. That is over 1,200 video tutorials, over 100 sewing patterns, pattern alteration software, and a lot more, which is crazy, I know, and new courses are being added constantly. As you can see, the premium courses are marked as such. These are courses for professional use, like working with VIP clients, haute couture decorations, advanced sewing techniques, and a lot of cool stuff. So let's look inside the courses. We have the video. On the left, you can see the navigation, very convenient. Under every single video, there is an illustrated text transcription. These are for online use only, but if you subscribe now during this Black Friday sale, you'll get a bonus. You'll be able to download all the transcripts to your computer in PDF format and keep them forever. But we'll get to that in a moment. In the Pattern tab, you'll find sewing patterns, of course, and if the course includes the alteration software, it's there as well. You can click on it, and it will open in a separate window. Also, you can access the pattern alteration software from the top menu here. As you can see, there are different tables for different types of corsets and dresses. With this software, you can calculate pattern adjustments in seconds to achieve perfect fit for your client. I explain that in the Dressmaker's Treasury course. It's actually very easy, but I won't get into that now. Let's get back to the tabs under the videos. Here we have the Diploma tab. You can apply for a personal graduation diploma certificate. The eligibility for a diploma is result-driven, meaning you have to submit your work, a picture of a garment that you made during or after the training. Fill in your name, choose a category, and submit your work. I will personally review it and grant you a certificate. Also, as a premium annual member, you can easily download every single video. This green button will appear and you just click on it. Choose a video resolution and download the video to your device. It's really easy. In addition, you'll also have access to the Corset Academy members-only closed group. As you can see, there is a Black Friday promotion banner. In this group, members share their works, ask questions, help, and support each other. It is a great place to connect with like-minded people. We have very engaged, supportive, and a welcoming, warm community. Now, let's get to the bonuses. The bonuses are available only for people who subscribe or renew the premium yearly subscription during the sale period, which again is until the 3rd of December. Here you have the newest corset pattern, corset with curvy reliefs. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. There is a PDF file of the pattern. And this is the alteration software made especially for it. And this one is a new one. Here you can see which line to alter and how, and it's very handy. And the list of the measurements also became illustrated. You are going to love it. It's very convenient. And of course, something you've been asking for, transcriptions for download. There is a PDF file. Open it and click on the big gold download button. Then the archive with the files will download. That is very cool. Now you have everything on your device and you don't even need to go online. Now, how to join? It's very simple. You may come from the dedicated Black Friday sale page or from the main website. Let's see the page first. Here you'll find all the information. Here are some of the works of our students. Oh, amazing! Red carpet gowns, awards, celebrities. I am so proud. Oh, they are beautiful. All right, so here's the list of all the amazing things you get within the membership. Click on Join Now. Or you may be coming from the main website from the pricing page. Here you can see the 50% off sign, and you can also click on Join Now. You enter your name, your email, and create a password. Click on Continue. As you can see, the discount is already applied. There, 50% off, Black Friday 2019. Now you just fill in your payment details, or you can pay with PayPal. That's it. But pay attention to this. If you are a current member and you don't wish to continue for another year, it is your responsibility to cancel the subscription from your user profile. If you are a member and you want to continue, no action required. The subscription will renew automatically with a 50% discount, plus you'll receive the bonuses. It's so cool. Well, that's all for today. Click on the link in the description for more information and for joining. This opportunity comes once in a year, so don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the courses.